and it gave me 6.3. Yeah, 6.3. So I'm just going to mark my 6.3 in a circular form. Watch for better understanding. 6.3. 6. Sorry, let me use a clearer trick. 6.3. 6.3. 6.3. Hope you can see the way I'm turning the tape. 6.3. This is to get a circular form of it. 6.3. So I'm going to connect the lines. Okay, so I'm done connecting the lines, as you can see, in a circular form. Please don't forget and move your tape while connecting it. So skirt length, I make use of skirt length of. Sorry, before you get your skirt length, you minus your 2 inches for your band, because I make use of 2 inches band. So I minus 2 inches for my band. Then I make use of skirt length of 24. Skirt length of 24. That's what I'm making use of. So when you get to 24, this other side, you come to this other side and mark your 24. Minusing your 2 inch. Please don't forget, always minus your 2 inch for your band. Always minus your 2 inch for your band. So if it was a normal circular flay, this is what you would have done. You would have placed it on a circular form. But since this is in a triangular method, is it triangular method or sorry, a square form, then you have to take your length here and also take the same length here to get the square form, to get the square line, kind of. So I don't know if you understand. So I'm just going to connect my lines. I'm going to connect my lines. I'm going to cut through, I'm going to cut in a straight line through the 25 inches I marked. Make sure you're cutting in a straight line. So then I'm going to cut out my circle. So this is it. So this was what I got after I was done cutting. I don't know if you can see it. This was what I got after I was done cutting. This was what I got after I was done cutting. So this is as easy as this. Yeah, as easy as this. So this is how to get your handkerchief skirts or handkerchief flay. So you can use the same method for your gown, your skirts, and whatever things. You can use it for it. This same method. Okay, guys. So we are about to cut the placement or the peplum, whatever you call it. So the peplum is separate. We have one at the front and one at the back. So now you're going to divide whatever measurement you used. I made use of 40 inches for my waist. So I'm going to divide my 40 inches by 2 to get the front and back placement or peplum. So my waist divided by 2, my waist divided by 2 is 20 inches. So I'm going to make use of 20 inches at the front, 20 inches at the back. So now 20 plus whatever thing you want to remove. You know it has a dropout. So for the front measurement, 20, I'm adding 18 inches. So mine gave me 56 inches for the front and back dropout. So I'm going to cut 56 inches for the front and 56 inches for the back. I don't know if you understand. So the length of the peplum the length of the peplum would be 11 inches. Depending on how long or short you want it to be. But I'm making use of 11 inches plus the hemming allowance. 11 inches. 11 plus 11 inches.